user. I have seen people add themselves to someone else's credit card as an authorized user and their credit score go up a lot. Think of like people saying trade lines. Trade line is nothing but you being added onto somebody's credit card as an authorized user. And since they have a high limit and then also they also have age to it because it's an old credit card, your credit score should most likely go up. But then I also, let me warn you, I also see people have a lower credit score because of it too, because they use too much on that high limit credit card. On your credit report, you only got $2,000 in credit. Maybe you have a very low credit score, right? You only have $2,000 in credit, but other people, they may have a $30,000 credit card, but they're using $25,000. And you think, oh, it's a high limit, it's an old account. That's what Rickita was talking about. Let me get added. That credit card right there will lower your credit score. I literally was looking at somebody's credit reports and I seen that they had this, and I'm like, hey, listen, you need to get off of this credit card. They were using just too much of that credit card, and that person didn't have that type of credit. You know, we're thinking overall utilization. So when you get added as an authorized user, their debt kind of becomes your debt, and it just looks very, very bad. So if they're using too much, you don't want to be added as authorized user. They have late payments. If they have a history of reporting late, you do not want to be authorized user because that can drop your credit score. Make sure that you're only an authorized user for somebody that's paying on time. They keep the balance low. Hopefully they don't even use the credit card. Hopefully they use it for gas every 6 months to keep it open. Hopefully they have a high limit like $20,000, $30,000, because those type can actually increase your credit score. Hopefully it's one of the credit cards that can report previous history when you add as an authorized user too, so it can look like you have that same history since they first opened an account. But remember, if they are doing bad with that card, it can drop your credit score